Hello guys! So for this video, pag-uusapan po natin ang basic trigonometric formulas. As you can see, meron tayo ditong right triangle. Ayan. So dito, makikita natin yung ating angle, theta. So pag sinabi po nating opposite side, meaning opposite po yung side na yun sa angle natin. So, bale, ayan, makikita nyo, opposite side po yan. Pag sinabi po nating hypotenuse, ang hypotenuse po, yan po yung pinaka-longest or the longest side of our triangle. Pag sinabi naman po nating adjacent side, yung adjacent side na yun po yung katabi po ng ating angle. For example, meron tayong or binigyan kayo ng right triangle. So, isipin nyo lang, right triangle yan, Tapos, ang theta natin nandyan. Okay? So, saan po yung opposite? So, opposite po ng ating angle ay ito. So, yan na po yung ating opposite side. Ang adjacent po ay ito na. Dito na side. Again, adjacent ay side po na katabi ng ating angle. So, ito po yun. At yung hypotenuse ay of course, the longest po na side ng ating right triangle. Okay, so don't forget po that one. So ngayon, let's do the basic trigonometric function. I know you're familiar with SOHCAHTOA. So, ayan, tapos ka at TOA. Ayan. You're familiar with that. Pero kahit familiar na tayo, ay isa-isahin natin siya. So, this one is your sine. Bale, si sine po ay ganyan po talaga. But, we can actually write it that way. Sine theta, or yung angle theta natin is equal to yung O dyan, opposite. Okay, so, sine po pala is opposite side over H hypotenuse. Okay? Hypotenuse. Next, si K. Si C dito is yung ating cosine or cos theta is just equal to adjacent or the adjacent side. Okay, let's write it. Tapos, ang H dito again is hypotenuse. Okay? Hypotenuse. Ito, side. Tapos si TOA po, ayan, si TOA, yan po ay yung ating tangent. So, yung T po dyan, ito, it stands for tangent. Okay, so tangent theta is equal to opposite, okay, the opposite side over the adjacent side. Again, the opposite side is opposite po ng angle at saka yung adjacent ay katabi po ng angle. Aside from that, meron po tayong tinatawag na cosecant. Okay? Or we can write it as CSC. Okay? Or ganyan po yan, cosecant. Ayan. Yung symbol po nun, CSC theta, cosecant theta. Si cosecant theta po pala ay opposite po siya ni sine. So, reverse po siya ni sine. So, 1 over sine theta. So, kung si sine theta ay opposite over hypotenuse, si cosecant po, theta is reverse siya ng sine or magiging hypotenuse po. Ayan, hypotenuse. Okay? Over opposite. Okay? Opposite side. So, makikita nyo, reverse po. Okay? Si cosecant kay sine. The next is si secant. Okay? Secant theta or we can write it sec theta. That's secant theta. Si secant theta naman po ay 1 over cos theta or reverse po siya ni cos theta. So, kung si cos theta ay adjacent over hypotenuse, si cosecant ay hypotenuse over adjacent. Kasi nga, reverse po siya ni cosine. So, hypotenuse hypotenuse over adjacent. So, don't be confused. Ano, ang kailangan nyo lang pong gawin is saan po nakalagay yung theta. Okay, sa ating right triangle. Next po ay si cotangent. Okay, actually ganyan yan, no? Cotangent. Pero we can write it as cot theta. Okay? So, si cotangent naman ay reverse po siya or reciprocal po siya ni tangent. So, that is 1 over tangent theta. Ayan. So, kung opposite siya, si tangent theta, makikita natin opposite over adjacent. Now, si cotangent is adjacent over opposite. So, basically, ang kailangan nyo lang pong i-memorize ay itong si SOHCAHTOA. Ayan, si sine, si cosine, at saka si tangent. Tapos, isipin nyo lang na the other three is kabaliktaran lang po nung naunang tatlo. Like si cosecant, kabaliktaran ni sine, si secant, kabaliktaran ni cosine, at saka si cotangent ay kabaliktaran po ni tangent. So, ano pa po? Okay? Aside from that, si tangent din po pala, okay, si tangent theta is equal to sine theta over cosine theta. Okay? Sine theta over cosine theta. Kasi po, pag isolve natin, si sine theta, di ba po, is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay? Tapos, si cosine naman is adjacent, okay? Adjacent over hypotenuse. So, basically, makakancel lang po yung ating hypotenuse because they are both in the denominator. That's why we have here opposite over adjacent, which is really si tangent theta, opposite over adjacent. So, therefore, si tangent theta is also equal to sine theta over cosine theta. Same is true si cotangent. Cotangent theta is opposite or reverse ni tangent theta. Therefore, we can say that si cotangent is equal to cos theta over sine theta. Another one po, importante po na basic trigonometric formula na dapat nating malaman ay yung tinatawag natin na Pythagorean identity. Okay? Si Pythagorean identity. Okay? Ano yung Pythagorean identity? Okay, si sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. Napaka-helpful po ng formula na ito or ng equation na ito, no? Sa mga future po ninyo na mga calculations, especially if you're dealing with trigonometric functions. Aside from that, we also have tangent squared theta plus 1 is equal to secant squared theta. And then, si cotangent squared theta plus 1 is equal to cosecant squared theta. These three Pythagorean identities very, very useful po. So, mas maganda na memorize po natin itong Pythagorean identity at yung ating SOHCAHTOA para mas mabilis po nating ma-simplify yung mga trigonometric equations na kailangan nating i-simplify. So, I hope nakatulong po ito sa inyo. And stay tuned po for more videos dahil magbibigay po ako ng example ng mga differential calculus dealing with trigonometric formulas.